nuts. In my efforts to get home, I've been unsuccessful. It's surrounded by water fucking everywhere. With army tactics, I still cannot think of a good fucking genius plan. The only thing I can think of right now is Tim Hortons coffee, triple triple, and some fucking Labatt Blue. If you have any ideas, you let this motherfucker know. Because right now, I'm fucking have no clue. JMFC is out.